Hi everybody, welcome back to the Home Bartender. What do you make in the middle of the winter when it's dark and it's stormy? You make a dark and stormy. So come with me, learn how to make it now. For the dark and stormy, we're going to use 2 ounces of Gosling's Black Seal rum, a ½ ounce of lime juice, ginger beer, and a lime wheel to garnish. All right, let's get mixing. So we're gonna put some ice in the glass. We're gonna build this drink in a highball glass or a Collins glass. And then we're gonna have a ½ ounce of lime juice. I'm gonna get that in there first. And then we're gonna do the ginger beer. Get it open here. I'm gonna try and pour this down the side the best I can. I'm not the greatest at it, but that's okay. I'm a home bartender. So then this makes a great effect. This is one of the reasons why I love this drink. We're gonna use 2 ounces of the Gosling's Black Seal right over the top. I'm gonna be careful about this. And it's just a float over the top. And then I'm going to garnish that with a lime wheel here, just a little wheel, and get that right here. Right, and then let's do a amber Surfside sips here, and that is the dark and stormy. All right, let's try this cocktail. Before I try it, I just want to say that it just looks so cool with this ombre sort of gradient color going on. But usually what I do when I try a dark and stormy, or I have a dark and stormy, is I take this lime wheel out and I give it a little stir, because everything below that alcohol line is just the ginger beer. So you want to kind of incorporate that a little bit, or don't, just try it however you want, but I'm going to try it now. Ooh, I love this cocktail. When you have that ginger beer, it's spicy from that ginger beer, as opposed to ginger ale, which is like just syrupy and sort of like soda, but the ginger beer is fermented, and so that makes it just a little more spicy and has a little more bite. But with that Gosling's, it has that caramel and molasses rich flavor. It's very refreshing as well, and as you saw initially, it's just a great looking drink. Gosling's Black Seal Rum owns the trademark on the cocktail Dark and Stormy, so if you use any other sort of black or dark rum, it's called a safe harbor. And I wanted to mention quickly that I'm an affiliate with Surfside Sips, and they make these amazing straws, and I really support their company. So you can go over to their website, check them out, look at their story, and use HBAN20 for 20% off at checkout. Please join me on Instagram for a picture and a recipe. I am also on Facebook, and here on YouTube it would be really helpful. I am trying to get 250 new subscribers, and my name is at the bottom of the video if you're watching it on your phone, and subscribe is red. If you hit that, then it turns gray, and I would really appreciate it if you did that right now. Also hit the notification bell, that way next week you'll know when we have a new video posted. So I am Ann, the Home Bartender, and we will see you next week.